free Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 giveaway. All you guys need to do is hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, get me to 52,000 subscribers, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 releases on Wednesday, which is weird, but Wednesday, February 16th. Retail is $170 on the men's pairs and $130 on the grade school pairs. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 will be a problem because this sneaker will sell out. They'll have a little bit of resale. We'll talk more about resale a little bit later on in the video. If you guys want me to do a full breakdown of resale, a do not sell video of the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. If we get this video up to an easy 500 likes, I'll do a video talking about resale on the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. And that video will be a short video, straight to the point. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 and why these will be a future problem. My Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1 lows were a little dirty, as you guys can see from this photo. I used Rejuvenator sneaker wipes to clean the midsole of my Travis Scott Fragment Jordan 1s, and as you guys can see on this after photo, they're clean. I highly recommend Rejuvenator wipes. They're awesome, they're great. You can bring them with you on the go. If you get a little scuff or something on your sneaker, you can go ahead and wipe them off. They're very affordable, and they're awesome for sneakerheads to keep your sneakers clean. When you don't want to do a full wash, and you just want to keep them clean, short, simple, little wipe down, Rejuvenator wipes are the way to go. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out Rejuvenator. You guys are also going to receive 10% off your order with my link down below in the description. Now that my Travis Scotts are clean again, I'm going to use Rejuvenator's water and stain repellent right here. Spray this on my Travis Scott fragments. Now they're water and stain repellent, which is awesome, so I can wear them and be worry-free of stains and water getting on my sneakers. And for those of you that have dirty sneakers that the wipes will not just do, you guys need to check out Rejuvenator's signature shoe cleaning kit. This kit comes to roughly $30 with my link down below in the description and comes with everything you need to clean your sneakers and keep them fresh and maintain your sneakers for a very long time. You're gonna get multiple brushes, you're gonna get solution, you're gonna get microfiber towel, you're gonna get a laundry bag for the laundry bag system, you're also gonna get some shoe trees. This kit comes with everything you need for your sneakers to keep them clean and maintain your sneakers as well. I highly recommend Rejuvenator's products. Check out the link down below in the description. Go cop yourself some of the wipes, go cop some of the water and stain repellent. I highly recommend it, sneakerheads. Go cop Rejuvenator. Thank you, Rejuvenator, for sponsoring this video. If the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 is a cop for you, let me know down below in the comments. Put a bunch of fire emojis. If they're a pass for you, put a trash emoji. I want to see who wants to cop the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s and who does not. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 is so similar to the Royal Air Jordan 1. Here is the 2017 Royal. Here is the new Marina Blue. The Marina Blue is a duller blue, and we have more blue on the Marina Blue than we do have on the Royal. On release day, the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 will sell out. There will be a little bit of resale. Resellers are going to look to eat up this sneaker and quick flip them and especially hold them. If you love Air Jordan 1s and you're looking for a wearable, affordable Air Jordan 1 for the time being, the Marina Blue is gonna be an option for you. Over time, I do believe these will go up in price. Like I said, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up, get this video to 500 likes, and I'll do a do not sell video on the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. Marina Blue laces to match the Marina Blue, as well as white and black laces come with the sneaker as well. Personally, these are gonna be a pass for me, but if I was gonna wear them, I'd go black laces. The reason I'm saying that these are gonna be a pass for me is because I own the Royal already. If I did not own the Royal, I'd look to pick up the Marina Blue. Just like if I don't own the original Shadow, I would look to pick up the Shadow 2.0. Remember when these were reselling for around $200, $220, $230, and now prices are around $300, $320? A little hint here, I think something similar is gonna happen with the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. So why do I say that the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 is gonna be a problem, a future problem? Because right now, for the time being, resale will be affordable, but they will go up in price. I expect the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1s to go up in price in less than 1 year's time, to roughly around $300+. When the Royals are so expensive, the Marina Blue has to go up in price as well, just like the Shadow 2.0 went up in price. Same color blocking, they're gonna go up in price, guys. So make sure you guys enter the raffles, make sure you guys try to cop the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 for retail. But hey, if you take an L, make sure you wait roughly 2 to 3 weeks, let people get their pairs in, and make sure you go cop your pair, especially if you want a personal. If you want to make money on this sneaker, quick flip them for the little bit of profit that there will be, but I recommend holding them. Holding them is going to be a good thing. If you have capital and you can invest into this sneaker, do so. Is the Air Jordan 1 hype dead? Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I personally don't think so. I think it really just depends on the colorway. I think we need to see a red version of this, and I think we will. Now, we do have the 85 Varsity Red highs that are the same color blocking. However, that's an 85 high, and it was limited. I think Jordan Brand should release something very similar. Give us better quality, a much better quality material, but give us really nice soft leather and all red on this Air Jordan 1 high, just like they did here with these, and just like they did with the Shadow 2.0s. And not make it an 85 high, just make it a regular Air Jordan 1 high OG, just like this. Even though resale will not be high right now for the time being for the next few months, don't let resale take away from the fact that this sneaker is very clean. This is what we want. This is what we ask for when it comes to Jordan 1s. We want nice colors. We want black. We want white used. We want a nice solid color, a wearable color at the end of the day. We love looking at that Nike Air on the tongue, on the insole. Quality could be a little better. The leather is a little soft, but it could be softer. For example, the Light Fusion Red was a really good quality Air Jordan 1. I just did not like the colorway. I don't think a lot of people like that colorway. Don't let the Royals take away from the fact that this sneaker is still a very dope and clean Air Jordan 1. Who knows when we're gonna get Royals again? So this is the next best thing. This is a clean, affordable option, and just a really good Jordan 1 that in the future will become a problem when resale goes up and hype eventually builds on this Jordan 1, because that's what seems to be happening. You guys noticed the market, especially last year, some sneakers were just going for a little bit over retail and have throughout the year just climbed in price. And I think that's gonna happen this year as well. The Marina Blue Air Jordan 1 will be undervalued for quite some time, and they will climb their way up. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in by hitting that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. Let me know your size in the Marina Blue Air Jordan 1. This giveaway ends at the end of February, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Make sure you guys give me a follow over on Instagram as well. Danny Moore 2369. I'm actually giving away a pair of UNC 6s over on Instagram as well. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to see more early sneakers just like this. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys check out Rejuvenator. Click the link down below in the description. Go cop some Rejuvenator. The best cleaning products on the market. They're going to help keep your sneakers clean. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.